Greetings, Mr. Wagner here. Miss Moore and I want to invite you guys to join us on our May Quarantine 40-mile challenge. So what that means is during the month of May, we'd like to challenge you guys to log 40 human-powered miles. You can do that by walking, running, riding a bike, hula hooping, paddling a canoe, some form of human power that gets you to 40 miles, or a collection of all of them. Make sure you log your miles on Strava so we can keep track. It's awesome to see the work that you guys have been doing so far. We want to reward and encourage you guys for doing such a strong job. So we've got some incentives to help out the cause. First of all, everybody that logs 40 miles is going to get a t-shirt that says they've done so. They accomplished the task of the Quarantine 40-mile challenge. Secondly, we've got a local sponsor with Northbound. Anybody that connects or that accumulates all 40 miles is going to get a $5 off $20 purchase from Northbound. So that's cool. They love to see us out there and they want to support what we're doing. They love to see you guys on the trails. Also, Northbound is throwing in a special prize. Don't know what it is. It's special to the top boy and the top girl, the boy that logs the most miles and the girl that logs the most miles. Remember to make sure that you do this and you log those miles on Strava. You can log those miles using the website. Make sure that you are part of a club. So when you get to the Strava website, pull down the club arrow, use your search bar to pull down the club arrow and start typing in Grayling and find your class. So if you're in third hour PE class, make sure that that's the one that you choose. Okay, and remember that you can log these with a smartwatch or a mobile device, but you don't have to. You can also manually upload. So if you want to manually upload, remember you go over to this plus button and come down to add manual entry. When you do that, make sure you add the distance because it's 40 miles. So we need to know that you've done it. Also remember, in gym, we never lie, cheat, or steal. So honesty reigns supreme here. All right. So that's it. If you have any questions, shoot Miss Moore or myself an email, and we'd love to hear from you. It's great seeing you guys being active on Strava, and weather's getting nice. Get on out there and enjoy. Have a great day.